Okay, friends, so I would like to get you set up for tomorrow when we really start working on our paragraph. So right now, I'd like you to open your workbook to handout 7B, and you can see it on the slide there, handout 7B, and I have my workbook open to handout 7B. So the first thing that you're going to notice on the screen about handout 7B that looks different than yours, you can look at my video if you want, I drew a red line right across the middle. Now, I used my ruler. Do you have a ruler? You could use an edge of a folder, but draw a straight line right through the middle, across the middle, from left to right. All right? Now, some of you might choose to do a 1-point paragraph. You're going to find one piece of evidence, and you're going to write one elaboration statement. So you'll only use one of these spaces, one for your evidence, one for your elaboration. Some of you really want to get the 4. I love it when you try for the 4. My plus friends, you have to do 2 pieces of evidence and 2 pieces of elaboration. You don't have a choice. Okay, so that's what the second row is for. Another piece of evidence with another elaboration statement. Okay, so listen. It looks like plenty of space to me, but is it? You're going to have to write small for this to fit in here. S-M-A-L-L, small. Look at how tiny they have typed their words. That's the size that you should try to write in. Write teeny tiny. Okay? So after you have your red line, what we're going to do next is you're going to pick a topic. And you'll see in the box on the right side of the slide that there are the list of topics, and we have read them all. We read them all twice. We annotated them. We did notice and wonders on them. So which one was appealing to you? Which one do you feel like you could get 2 pieces of evidence and then be able to elaborate on? And this is all focused on like how they are connected to their homeland, how their homeland sustained or shaped that way of living. So at the top, it says my topic, and you're going to write one of these topics. You're going to pick your topic. You could pick food and drink. So take a moment to think about that. Could you find 2 pieces of evidence to show that they use their homeland to sustain them with their food and drink? How about clothing? You know, the one that grossed me out the whole time. Could you find 2 pieces of evidence that show how they use their homeland to sustain them to make their clothing? The next topic choice is shelter the teepee. Could you find 2 pieces of evidence to support that they use their homeland for their shelter the teepee? All right. How about the handout 6D, getting around? So could you find 2 pieces of evidence about how their homeland sustained or shaped the way they got around? How about spirituality? Could you find 2 pieces of evidence to support that their homeland shaped their spirituality? And then the last one was our last article that we read, transport and trade. Could you find 2 pieces of evidence in handout 6F for how their homeland shaped their transport and trade? Okay, I will tell you that they go from easy to hard, kind of. So the first 3 that we did, those 3 are the easier ones. The last 3 are the more difficult ones. To me personally, spirituality is the hardest. So pick one that you feel that you could be successful with and write that topic where it says my topic. All right, make a good choice for yourself.